welcome back to Pedal Savings. My name is Rosie and I am a cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope method for her finances. So today we will be cash planning. It is, what's today? 2/26/25, and we're going to be stuffing 193. So let's see. Let's do 193 minus gas equals 25. Then minus buffer, which is 10. Let's do 2025 savings. See how much is in my wallet now. Oh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is in my wallet right now. So let's do $5 for 2025 savings, 0 for $1 savings. Stupid Cupid will get 2. Love letters will get 2. We'll get to flower power later. Okay, wedding, let's fill up the rest of that 47. So it should be 23. Then let's fill up the other half of apartment. Okay. Emergency gets 5. Groceries, let's do 60 this week. Spending should get 5. And then eating out is gonna get 5. Let's do $10 for Derek. Then beauty will get 3. Toiletries 3. Wardrobe 3. Minus 6. Then flower power will get the rest. Zero. I crossed out meds so that we don't have to worry about it, because I only filled that up once a month. So let's do tallies. 1, 2, 3, 25, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 5, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that I don't have to worry about that. 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So 20s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Oh wait, buffer. We don't do 10 for buffer. You do a 5 and 5 ones. Okay. So 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 5s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22. I said 22 twice. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So that's going to be 28, 35, 10, 120, 10 plus. Okay, so that's what we're going to be getting from the bank, and I will see you guys next time for the cash stuffing, which will be tomorrow. Bye.